Okay, so let's start with fluid mechanics. Open channel flow. So let's see some of the formulas for minimum specific energy. Minimum specific energy. So for rectangular cross section or for rectangular channel, we have formula E minimum. E minimum means minimum specific energy is equal to 3 by 2 YC. Okay, we know YC is equal to critical depth. Critical depth. So here kinetic head, we can say kinetic head is half of potential head. Okay, for parabolic channel, the formula will become E minimum is equal to 4 by 3 YC. So here the kinetic head is one third of potential head. So 1 by 3 times the potential head will give you kinetic head. And for triangular channel or triangular cross section, E minimum, the formula of E minimum means minimum specific energy is equal to 5 by 4 YC. So here we can say kinetic head is 1 by 4 times of potential head. Okay, same way, suppose in exam they are asking you for kinetic head directly. They may ask regarding kinetic head. So remember some more formulas. For rectangular channel, kinetic head is equal to YC by 2. For parabolic channel, kinetic head is equal to YC by 3. And for triangular channel, kinetic head is equal to YC by 4. So these are some of the formulas for minimum specific energy and kinetic head, and for different type of cross section area. They will never go beyond these cross sections. Another thing which you should remember is regarding the conditions for critical flow. So that formula also I am writing down. Remember it, condition for critical flow. For any cross section or any shape. Remember it, any means any cross section of channel. So remember this formula, q square by g is equal to a cube by t. T is your top width, a is your cross section area, g we know, g is your 9.81 meter per second square. Okay, t is your top width, a cross section area, and q is your discharge. So this formula is applicable for all the cross section, or in some books it is written q square t upon g a cube, it is equal to 1. Okay, so in some books it is written like this also. So and one more thing which you should remember, that is critical depth. So here also two formulas you should remember. First one is for rectangular channel. So yc is equal to q square by g raised to 1 by 3. Okay, now you will ask, what is this q? This is small q, that is discharge per unit width. Okay, so basically it is capital Q upon B. B is your width, so that is small q, and g you all know, that is acceleration due to gravity. So this formula will give you directly the critical depth for rectangular channel. Okay, so don't get confused. And suppose they are asking it for triangular channel, then we have to memorize this formula, that yc is equal to 2q square. Now this is capital Q, which is discharge, upon g tan square theta whole raised to 1 by 5. Okay, so let me draw the cross section. So cross section of triangular section is like this. So this is your water level, and this is your critical depth, yc. So what is theta? Theta is from the center line. This is your theta. So remember both the formulas to find out the critical depth. Okay, thank you very much.